Hi everyone, I'm Chase, and in today's video, we're going to explore a fascinating and accessible way to potentially earn a daily income using ChatGPT and AI tools. Whether you're new to online income strategies or looking to expand your skills, this guide is tailored for beginners. We'll dive into a method that involves reaching out to website owners using a unique automated system. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a process that requires dedication and consistency. So if you're ready to learn, stay tuned and let's embark on this journey together. And remember, if you find this content helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more insights. Let's get started. Now, let's start with the basics. What is ChatGPT and how can AI tools help you generate income? ChatGPT is a powerful AI language model developed by OpenAI. It can perform a variety of tasks like content creation, coding, and even crafting marketing messages. The beauty of AI tools like ChatGPT is their versatility and efficiency, making them ideal for various online ventures. Today, we'll focus on how you can leverage these tools to reach out to potential clients. Our strategy involves reaching out to website owners, offering them a unique service that can enhance their online presence. The key here is to use an automated system to contact them efficiently. This system isn't about spamming, it's about creating genuine, valuable propositions tailored to each recipient. And I'm going to walk you through how this works right now. First, we use a tool that helps us send messages through website contact forms. This method is more personal and often more effective than generic emails. Here's how you set it up. Step one, you're going to head over to GSA Contact with a link in the description I will leave for you, and you're going to click on download. While you're there, you'll have the choice to buy a license. It's a one-time fee and it costs $97. This license allows you to send as many contact forms as you want on your computer. If you don't buy the license, you'll only be able to scrape contact forms and you're going to have to manually send messages through the websites without the tool doing it for you. Once the tool is up and running, you can click on new project, and you can start looking for websites that you want to contact. For example, I could type in doctors in California, and this tool will allow me to add more topics if I'd like. But if I just start like that, I can click on start and scrape, and this will help me find websites with contact forms that I can send messages to. Alternatively, if I want to buy a list of pre-checked contact forms, I can do that by going to the link in the description of this video, and I can pay about $97 to get a few million contact forms that I can just load in by clicking on add your own URLs, going to the contact form pre-made list, double clicking it, and this will go ahead and upload a million contact forms that are pre-checked and I can start sending messages to. To get started sending messages to these websites, I can double click on the project, go to submission content, and I can specify my message, my subject line, my reply email, my first name and last name. But let's just go start with message. We're going to type in, hi, I'm looking to help a few people with their website. Do you want help? Click on OK. And from there, I can start sending messages. To start sending messages, I just select the project, click on start, and I can click on send message plus check, yes, continue. And this will begin sending messages. Now, one thing I want to mention, when you send messages, I would recommend you set up proxies because you don't want to send all of these messages from your IP address. That's a quick way to get your IP address banned. For the sake of this video, I want to show you how you can send a message offering a free video service and then use ChatGPT, AI, and another tool that will help you begin generating videos that you can offer as a service for these websites. So our message is going to say, hey, we did a video for free for your website. Where can we send it? Click on OK, OK, start, and send. And when we get responses, we're going to use an automated system to give these website owners a marketing video for their website. Here's an example of a website that we did this for previously. You can see here we said, I made a video for your website. Can I send it here for you to look at? Respond with the word sure if this is a good place to send it. They responded and said, sure, feel free to send it over. We'd love to take a look. And we sent the AI generated videos here. They said, thanks for sending these over. We appreciate your interest in our brand, and we'll be sure to reach out if we want to use these videos anywhere in the future. Now, the cool thing about this is we are building a relationship with this company by offering them something for free. So now if we follow up with them, we can offer even more stuff that we can actually get paid for. Now the intriguing part, we're not just sending any message, we're offering to create AI generated videos for these websites. These videos can be anything from promotional content to educational material, depending on the website's niche. Let me show you an example of how these videos look.
Ace Beverage Group is a leading better-for-you beverage alcohol company in Canada. Its flagship brand, Cottage Springs, is one of the biggest and fastest-growing RTD brands in Canada. Additional popular brands include Ace Hill and Cabana Coast. ABG's mission is to develop, launch, and market the world's best-tasting BFY alcoholic beverages. Visit acebeveragegroup.com now.
To get started with AI-generated videos like these, you can use Shinify. Shinify is a tool that helps you generate videos with a click of a button, and it starts with a $1 trial. If you get the $1 trial by scrolling down, you can click on the plan here. We're also implementing a $27 plan, so you can get started without having to pay a high monthly fee. Now, if we click log in and we sign in with our account, we can get started. Once you're inside Shinify, you'll see a few different things: the video generator, the video transcriber underneath AI video tools, and then you'll see the AI chat, which is just ChatGPT. But for the sake of this video, we're just going to click on video generator, and we're going to take text from one of the websites that said yes to us, and we're going to plug that into our tool. Let's start out by going to the website that said yes to us, and we're going to take whatever text we can find on the website and copy it. But if there's no text, we can just copy the website URL, head back over to Shinify, and instead of entering a custom script from the text that we'd find on the website, we just go to idea, we'd type in the name of the website without the HTTP or the www, and we click on generate. Now, what's going to happen here is ChatGPT is going to build a script for this website. It's going to build a bunch of images that are AI generated. It's going to do pretty much everything we need to have a simple video for this website with just one click. And the cool thing is we can generate a few different videos at once. So that way we can choose our favorite video that we want to send over. While we're waiting for the videos to create, you can see here, one is creating a script, one's generating the audio, and one of them is also generating the images. What we're going to do is we're going to go over the different customizations you can add into these videos. Accuracy is a feature that will create multiple images that are unique for the actual script that you're creating. If you leave this off, you will just have a less diverse group of images inside of the video. Next, we have captions. This will just add captions to the video. Animation, this will make the videos move around. Avatar, this is if you want to have an avatar talking in front of the video. Voice, this is all the different voices that you can use that are pre-made. Language, you can change the language here. And music, this is where you can select different music choices, and you can preview the music as well by clicking on this button. Another thing I want you to consider while these are loading is that what we're doing is providing actual value. And so what you really want to think about is not just about using AI to make money, but to build connections with real people. If you can create value in other people's lives and businesses, they're going to want to pay you for it. And what I recommend is that when you get people to respond to you and say, yes, I'd like to see a free video, I want you to think about, how can I really impress this person? How can I give them something that they think is so valuable for free that they'd be willing to pay for it? And remember, if you can't give it away for free, you're definitely not going to get people to pay you for it. The videos are almost finished, and I want you to really think about as well how much time this would take you to do if you were to do this yourself. Generating these AI images, doing the animations, doing the editing, doing the voiceover, even the captions, it would take you a very long time. And that's why we built this tool, because we in our company were spending hours and hours of our time making videos like this. And we thought, how cool would it be if we just made these videos with one click? So as these videos are finalizing, remember, they're going to take a few minutes to create once you click the generate button, but they're not going to take you hours and hours of your time. Now that the videos are finalizing, we can download one or all of them if we want to send all of them by clicking on the little download button here. It's going to pop up in the top right corner if you're on Chrome. We can head back over to our message in Gmail. We can send the video just by dragging it in like so. To wrap things up, remember that success is going to be dependent on your action. You need to have patience and consistency and realize that this is not an overnight miracle, but with dedication, it could be a valuable income stream for you. I'm going to leave links to our paid and free resources in the description of this video so that you can get started. Make sure you grab the $1 trial for Shinify, because when you do, you're going to get invited to our live Zoom calls where we're going to walk you through in more detail how to get started with this entire process. Also, join our free Discord server so that you can stay updated and ask questions. And again, it is free. So that's it for today. Thanks for stopping by. We'll see you next time. And until we do, happy money making.